Hello, welcome to Insignia Investments. My name is Roop Pratim Datta, and today I will discuss with you the underlying causes for the recent rally of over 60% in PC Jewelers. Let's begin. PC Jewelers is a Delhi based retail jeweler founded in 2005. The company is the second largest listed retail jeweler in India. The stock has made headlines over the last few days with investors going over the board about the company. The stock price of the company increased from rupees 91 a piece on April 9th, 2019 to rupees 146 a piece on April 16th, 2019. This sudden rise in the valuation of PC Jewelers has left many investors stunned as the stock had shed 80% of its valuation during calendar year 2018 and was facing liquidity stress due to its muted financial performance. Now, the question that must be running in the mind of all ordinary investors like you and me is whether this stock should make it to your portfolio and enjoy the warmth of your money. But to answer that, we need to understand what has led to this sudden appreciation in the valuation of PC Jewelers after a dismal calendar year 2018 performance. There are primarily three reasons for this. Firstly, the foreign institutional investor. In India, whenever we hear something about some foreign institutional investor pumping money into our markets, we start feeling like the goose that laid golden eggs and go over the top with our valuation methodologies. In the case of PC Dwellers, this is the case. A Mauritius based asset management firm named Carlina Limited bought 0.94% stake in PC Dwellers on April 10th, 2019. Now, I must add that I was not able to find much information about this company on Google. So, in case if you find something about this company and its operations, do leave a link to your knowledge in the comment section below so that other fellow individual investors can benefit from your contribution. The purchase of this 0.94% stake was made through open market transactions, and the company acquired 3.7 million shares of the company at rupees 94.68 rupees a piece. Now, this was big news. Foreign institutional investor pumping money into PC Jewelers. Investors went overboard, bought a lot of it, and this rally started somewhere around that 54% lower than its peak valuation mark. Now, the second wave of this valuation growth came when this same foreign institutional investor returned to invest money in the same company again within just the next 2 days. On April 12, 2019, Carlina Limited purchased another 1.2% stake in PC Jewelers, raising the cumulative stake in the company to 2.14%. Again, the purchase of the stake was made through open market transactions. Carlina Limited acquired 4.7 million shares during this transaction for 105 rupees 73 paise a piece for the company's stocks. Now, all this foreign institutional investor money and the inflow made PC Jewelers the hot stock that it actually has become today. There has been an appreciation of nearly 60% in the stock's value in just a short span of 6 days. Now, the third thing that actually pushed this valuation up and probably gave investors a little confidence was the management call at the end of 9-month FY 2019 performance. The stock valuation of PC Jewelers was already discounted for the muted financial performance during the year. However, during the result declaration of Q3 FY 2019, the management had discussed debt reduction, reduction of dependence on exports, and tweaking the business model to make it more efficient. Now, considering the fact that PC Jewelers is the second largest listed retail jeweler in India, the market actually believes the management call to be good prudence. Now, is PC Jewelers really worth your money's time and effort? I hope that now you know the fundamental forces behind this meteoric rise and are better able to appreciate the true worth of PC Jewelers. In my personal understanding, PC Jewelers should not make it to your portfolio as on date. Firstly, the balance sheet is highly leveraged. Then the industry is fragmented with regional players dominating their respective markets. In my personal understanding, these local dominant players have lower leverage, a better grip on the market's taste and demands. higher capital efficiency, and actually better accruals that gives them some better credibility as your investment choice, but they're not listed, so they do not make it to this cut. So all these things, this regional dominance, the better opposition with the better balance sheet, actually offset the PC dwellers' meteoric rise. I personally feel that the stock's motion is too quick and volatile for an ordinary investor like me to keep an eye out for every single day. And thus, I think I'll have to live with a constant heartburn if I decided to put my money in PC dwellers in the present scenario. And with that, we come to the end of this video. What do you think about PC dwellers? Is your view different from mine? Feel free to express your opinion in the comment box below. And if you have gained any insight from this video, do leave a like and consider subscribing to this channel for more analysis. You can reach us at our website, whose link is in the description box below. You can also drop in a mail directly at insigniainvestments@gmail.com. Till next time, this has been your ordinary individual investor analyst, Roop Pratim Datta, signing off. Thank you.